Alright guys, we just got a shipment in from Alien3d. This is our first month subscription to the UFO Box. What is the UFO Box? Well, it's a monthly subscription full of 3D printing supplies, filaments, tools, and sometimes you may even win yourself the mothership, which is a unique high dollar prize that they give out one time a month. So today we're going to unbox it and see what we got in the September 2020 edition of the UFO Box from Alien3d. My name is Alex and you're watching Modified 3D. Now before we open this up, make sure to hit that subscribe button. That way you can receive all the latest and greatest content from Modified 3D. Let's get started. Really excited to see what comes in this. I will say I did also order a torque wrench for the mosquito nozzle for the Ender 5 that we got coming up soon. So that's not going to be included in this, keep that in mind. But everything else we got in here is going to be the UFO box. We get some nicely packaged, somewhat heavy boxes, and we got two of them in here. And that's it for that. Let's see, which one do we do first? Let's go with the left. Opening it up here. First thing. Mini Chips Ahoy. This is the project. They basically every month they include a 3D printing project that you can print out some stuff and then build some stuff. And this looks like there's a board, some wires, some resistors, some LEDs, 9-volt battery, terminals, a USB. So I'm wondering what this project is, but it definitely looks interesting, and I'm super stoked to see what it is. We'll definitely be posting an update when it's done. Next up, we got that slice torque wrench that I was talking about earlier. This I actually ordered and paid for. This is for the mosquito hot end that I'm going to be installing on the Ender 5 soon. We got a NEMA 17 9° series ZYLTech stepper motor. That's awesome. That's actually really cool. A 0.9° stepper motor is basically half the rotation. And this is a pancake motor, so this is going to be lightweight. This is going to be perfect for a direct drive setup, which I'm actually editing right now the content for the Ender 3 direct drive. So you guys will be seeing my TH3D version of this soon. But this is great because I was planning on converting the Ender 5 to direct drive someday. And that means I don't have to purchase a pancake stepper motor now. So this part would be one of the 3D printer accessories that Alien3d puts in their box every single month. And you know, this is a $15–20 part probably alone right here. Not to mention you got maybe $5–6 worth of parts in this kit right here, so that way we can keep a tally to see if this is worth it. It's like $39 a month, I believe, if I remember offhand. Of course, as with all my videos, I'll have in the description I'll have links to all this stuff, so that way you guys can subscribe. Sorry about that, my camera battery died and I didn't realize that until after the fact. But anyways, getting back to it, we got some filament from 3D Fuel. We have their Harvest Gold, which I'm interested to see how it compares to my Creality Gold that I have. Since I'm not a fan of the Creality filament, I'm hoping this will be pretty good stuff. We have Forest Green, also from 3D Fuel. Looks pretty similar to the St. Andrews Green that I have from Paramount 3D, but with a little bit more blue or turquoise into it. We have this beautiful Aquamarine by 3D Fuel that I'm really excited to print with. And my favorite of the batch, we have this Lulzbot Green. I think that's how you pronounce it, Lulzbot. But this one I'm really excited for as well. Now that second box that I had was actually a mistake that was sent to me on accident from Alien3d. They must have read the invoice wrong and they sent me out 2 boxes. I was only charged for one, and when I contacted them, they were nice enough to say just go ahead and keep it and enjoy. So that was kind of a win for me on that, which is always really nice. So that's what you get in your Alien3d UFO box for September 2020. We had the pancake stepper motor, which is a $15–20 part right there. We had, I'd say, you know, $5–6 each of filament samples here. So we'll say $20 worth of filament samples. That puts us at $15. The project was actually a LED POV Arduino mini controller. So I don't really know exactly what that is, but we'll definitely get into it. We'll put that at like $5 right there. So you're right around that $40–45 mark, I'd say, which is above the $36 price that you pay for your subscription. Now Alien3d does offer 1 month along with yearly subscriptions. I highly recommend doing that reoccurring yearly subscription. That's what I'm doing. That's the Alien3d UFO box. My name is Alex. This is Modified 3D. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that thumbs up button. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to put them down in the comments section. I'll have links to where you can get the Alien3d UFO box down in the description as well. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.